Dear students, so in this session we are going to continue permutations and combinations. We discussed previously experiment of prime in n factorial and solved few sums. Another example for how many positive integral values of n does n factorial end with preciously (25 zeros). So number of zeros are given. Number of zeros at the end of n factorial equal 25. That means E phi of n factorial equal to 25. Which implies n by 5 n by 5 squared n by 5 cubed equal 25. n by 5 n by 25 n by 125 equal 25. Let's we want to have 25 zeros. Let n equal to 105. So 105 by 5 plus 105 by 25, 21 plus 4, that is here 21 times, the 4 times 25, 100. So only 4 possible is 25. N equal to 106. 106 by 5, 106 by 25, 21 plus 4, 25. (21 plus 4) that is 25. N equal to 108. 108 by 5, 108 by 25. 21 plus 4, 25 zeros. N equal to 109 implies 21 plus 4 zeros, 25. N equal to 110, then 110 by 5, 110 by 25, 22 plus 4, that is 26 zeros. So we must have 25 zeros only, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25. For n equal to 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, we have n factorial as precisely 25 zeros. For n equal to 105, 106, 107, 108 and 109, n factorial has (25) zeros. Hence, the required number of positive integral values of n equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Find the exponent of 80 in 80 factorial. Sorry, 180 factorial. (80) equal to 16 into 5. That is 2 power 4 into 5. We can find exponent of 2 and exponent of 5. Exponent of 2 in 180 factorial equal to 180 by 2, 180 by 2 square 4, 180 by 2 cubed, 180 by 2 power 4, 180 by 2 power 5, 180 by 2 power 6, etc. Two into 4, 4 into 2. If we divide 180 by 2, that's 90. 180 by 4, that is 45. 180 by 8. So we have 22 times 180 by 16 plus 11, 180 by 32, 5 times plus 5, 180 by 2 power 6, 64, 2 times 180 by 2 power 7, that is 128, that is 1. 176. So exponent of 2 in 180 factorial equal to 176. Next rate, find exponent of 5. 180 by 5, 180 by 5 squared, 180 by 5 cubed, 5, 36, so here 1. So 44, exponent of 5 in 180 is 44. We note 180 equal to 2 power 4 into 5. So exponent of 5 equal to 5 in 180 factorial equal to 44. Exponent of 2 into 180 factorial equal to 176. You want to find exponent of 80. So exponent of 2 power 4, 16 in 180 factorial equal to, that is 176 equal to, just dividing exponent of 2 by this power 4, that is 44. Hence exponent of 80 in 180 factorial equal to 44. Find the exponent of 5, find the exponent of 2. To exponent of 60 means exponent of 2 should be divided by 4, 44. So exponent of 80 in 180 is 44. Divisibility test. If A, B, C, D, E is a five-digit number, in decimal system, then we can write A, B, C, D, E equal to 10 power 5 into A, 10 power 4 into B, plus 10 cubed into C, plus 10 squared into D, 10 power 4 into A, 10 cubed into B, 10 squared into C, 10 D plus A. Now number A, B, C, D, E will be divisible by 2. If E is divisible by 2, by 4, if if 2D plus E is divisible by 4, the number divisible by 8. If 4C plus 2D plus E is divisible by 8, by 2 power t, if number found by last t digits if number found by last t digits is divisible by 2 power t, for example, number A20101-280 is divisible by 2 power 5. Because last 5 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 8, 0. It divisible by 2 power 5. That is 1280 divided by 32. So divisible by 2 power 5. Divisible by 5 if the unit digit is 0 or 5 by 5 power t. If number formed by last t digits is divisible by 5 power t. By 3 if a plus b plus c plus d plus e, that is sum of the digits is divisible by 3. By 9, if a plus c plus d plus e is divisible by 9, if e equal to e should be even on a plus b plus c plus d plus e is divisible by 3. By 18, if e is even on a plus b plus c plus d plus e is divisible by 9. By 7, if a b c d minus 2e is divisible by 7. By 11, if a plus c plus e minus b plus d, that is this sum of digits in odd places, these two sum of digits in even places is divisible by 11. By 13, if a b c d plus 4 is divisible by 13. So principle of inclusion exclusion. Let A and B be two sets. This is universal sets. If A and B are finite sets, then n of A union B equal to, it is obvious, we have seen already, n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. N of A dash intersection B dash equal to n of U minus n of A union B. So A, B and C are three sets. This is a new set of U. If A, B and C are three finite sets, then n of A union B union C equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of C intersection A plus n of A intersection B intersection C. N of A dash intersection B dash intersection C dash equal to n of U minus n of A union B union C. Note, if A1, A2, A3 up to AN are finite sets, then n of A1 union A2 union AN equal to sum of n of AI minus sum of n of AI intersection AJ plus sum of n of AI intersection AJ intersection AK minus plus minus 1 whole power n of A1 intersection A2 etc. intersection AN. So single term intersection of two terms plus intersection of three terms plus minus will be we are changing the last term minus or whole power n. Every number of terms are even. So going on changing minus plus minus plus alternately changing sign. In fact here my last term minus of minus or whole power n. If we have two terms end with minus sign intersection, if we have three terms end with plus sign. N of A1 dash intersection A2 dash etc. intersection A dash equal to N of U minus N of A1 union A2 union etc. union AN. Find the number of positive integers from 1 to 1000 which are divisible by at least 2, 3 or 5. Let AK be the set of positive integers from 1 to 1000 which is divisible by k. So we have to find divisible by 2, 3 or 5. So we have to find divisible by 2, that is A2, divisible by 3, that is A3, divisible by 5, that is A5. We have to find A2 union A3 union A5. N of A2. So 1000 divided by 2, that is this is greatest integer function. N of A3, 1000 by 3, that is 333. A5, 1000 by 5, that is 200. N of A2 intersection A3, that is 2 and 3, that is 6. One 66 0.66, like that. You have to take only 166. N of A3 intersection A5, that is 1000 divided by 15. Equal to 66. N of A2 intersection A5, 2 into 5, 10, that is 10. N of A2 intersection A3 intersection A5, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 5, 30. We have only 30. So 33. 33.33, that is equal to 33. N of A2 union A3 union A5 equal to N of A2 plus N of A3 plus N of A5 minus N of A2 intersection A3 minus N of A3 intersection A5 minus N of A5 intersection A2 plus N of A2 intersection A3 intersection A5. Equal to 500. You apply all values. $833 plus add all positive values. So 1066 minus that is 332. 734. Hence, number of integers divisible by 2, 3 and 5 is 734. Number of integers which are not divisible by 2, 3 or 5, 2, 3 or 5 from 1 to 1000. Number of integers at least 2, 3 or 5. Not divisible 2, 3 or 5 from 1 to 1000 equal to 1000 minus 734, that is equal to 266. Permutation. Each of the different arrangements which can be made by taking sum all of a number of things is called a permutation. In permutation, the order of order of the arrangement is important. Important results. The number of permutations n different things taking or at a time is denoted by NPR or P of n, R. NPR equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 etc. n minus r minus 1, that is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 etc. n minus r plus 1. That is n factorial by, so NPR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. 0 less than equal to or less than n. R should be less than or equal to n. Note, the number of permutations of n different things taken all at a time equal to NPN equal to n factorial. NP naught 1, NP1 equal to NP naught value 1, value of NP1 is n, NPN equal to n factorial. And NPN equal to NP n minus 1 equal to np n minus 1 or npn equal to n factorial. npr equal to n into n minus 1 pr minus 1 equal to n into n minus 1 n minus 2 p r minus 2 n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 n minus 3 p r minus 3. n minus 1 pr equal to n minus r into n minus 1 p r minus 1. npr by npr minus 1 equal to n minus r plus 1. If 56 p r power 6 is 54 p r plus 3 equal to find rp2. 56 p r plus 6 by 54 p r plus 3 equal to 30,800 by 1. npr equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 n minus 3 p r minus 3. That's why we can write 56 into 55 into 54 p r plus 4 by p r plus 3 equal to 30,800. (54 p r plus 4 divided by 54 p r plus 3 equal to 30,800 divided by 56 into 55. NPR by NPR minus 1 equal to N minus R plus 1. Using this N minus R plus 1. 54 minus R minus 4 plus 1 equal to so 56 into 55. 56 into 55. This 10. 15 minus 10 equal to R, which implies R equal to 41. So you have to find RP2. 41 P2. That means 41 into 40. If you have P equal to, we have to degrees 2 times. 41 into 40. 1640. So we can see more in the coming session. Thank you.